All right. A live video. Nice, wasn't it? Live video.
Did they have other people did it too?
I'm pretty sure. I think we're good to go.
Will it come up on there too? Should.
Let's just have a look. We're both good there.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's a message. Do you want to read it, Tommy?
Yeah. Ah, we're live. Hello. We're live. All right. Hey guys. Thank you to Sounds on the Couch for giving myself and Jimmy this
Hello.
opportunity. This is Jimmy. He's on lead guitar, I'm on vocals, and we'll start you off with a cover. This is a Prince cover. So, I hope you enjoy it. Hope you're all safe and well. This is it. It's time for you to go to the wire. You will hit, 'cause you've got the burning desire. It's your time. You've got the hope, so why don't you blow it? You're so fine. You're filthy cute and baby, you know it. Cream, get on top. Cream, you will cop. Cream, don't you love her? Stop. Cream, shovel, yeah, pop. You're so good, baby, there ain't nobody better. So you should never ever go to the letter. You're so cool, everything you do is success. Make the rules and break them all, 'cause you are the best. Yes, you are. Cream, get on top. Cream, you will cop. Cream, don't you love her? Stop. Cream, boogie pop. 2, 3, go. To your downs, why should you wait any longer? Take your chance, it can only make you stronger. It's your time, you've got the hole, so why don't you blow it? You're so fine, you're filthy cute and baby, you know it. Cream, get on top. Cream, you will cop. Cream, don't you love her? Stop. Cream, shuggy, bye.
Fantastic.
Thanks, man.
Go on, Tommy.
Awesome. Thanks, guys, for joining us today. Cheers. Hope you're all safe. Sweet. From Jane. Thanks, Jane. Carolina, all of you. Good to see you. This is an original of mine. It's called Dirty Love. It's available on all platforms. Dirty Love. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby promised wine and bought me gin. Juggle with a knife and you won't win. Dirty love and dirty blues, dressed in daddy's high heel shoes. I won't give it up if you won't give it to me. Running for your bedroom through your door. Didn't make it past your bathroom floor. Shiny cars and cigarettes, dressed up in your mama's dress. I won't give it up if you won't give it to me. Give it to me, Jimmy. Morning brings the sun and past regrets, whispering a name I can't forget. Kill the lights and tie the noose, 'cause a wolf is on the loose. I won't give it up if you won't give it to me. Dice and shake like a bad boy should. Shake it like I know a bad girl would. Well, rock with me until the dawn. Shake it, baby, all night long. I won't give it up if you won't give it to me. Said I won't give it up if you won't give it to me. Said I won't give it up if you won't give it to me. All right, cool. This next one is a cover. Oh, hey to New South Wales. Hope you guys are all safe. Hey, Jane. This is a Stevie Ray Vaughan cover, Pride and Joy. I'll let Jimmy kick that off. Shine, and she's my sweet little thing. She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby, and I'm a little lover boy. Well, I love my baby like the finest wine. Stick with her until the end of time, and she's my sweet little thing. She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby, and I'm a little lover boy. Well, I love my baby, she's long and lean. You mess with her, you'll see a man getting mean. And she's my sweet little thing. She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby, and I'm a little lover boy. Jimmy. little thing. She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby, and I'm a little lover boy. Well, I love my baby, my heart and soul. Love like ours won't ever, ever, ever grow old. She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby, yeah. And I'm a little lover boy. All right. Thank you, guys. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Quite tasty. All right. This next one is an original that has an animated clip on YouTube that I've written. Do it in C minor. It's called Boom Boom. One, two, three, four. I need a love to warm my room. Any old lover just won't do. I want her hips to hypnotize. I want her lips to make me cry. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I lose myself in her dark hair, tattooed all over, I declare. One look from her and I am gone. Something so right can't be so wrong. Boom, boom, boom. Give me a solo. Boom, boom, boom. Go, Jimmy. Keep going, man. We end it now. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Very nice, Tommy.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Now, we're going to drop it. We're going to go down to a drop D. We're going to play another original of mine, which is called Low Kind. Jimmy's got a... Thank you to Sounds on the Couch, and we hope you're all safe. Any day now. Hang on a sec, man. This is an original of mine called Low Kind. Sort of a Texan feel, bit of a darker song. It's a low kind of man who takes a needing woman by her hand, and in the dark beneath the sand, he takes a life worth saving 'cause he can. Under the sun, he waited and smiled, eyes burning brighter than a child. Beneath the moon, he waited and prayed, skin turning blacker than his grave. Low kind is all you are, broken and torn like my guitar. Low kind is all you be, dancing beneath the earth with me. Jimmy. Low kind is all you are, broken and torn like my guitar. Low kind is all you be, dancing beneath the earth with me. That was Low Kind. Thank you. Ah, yes. Thank you. The Water Runners, guys. Colleen. Yep. A lot of people. Hey, everyone. Hope you're safe. This is a Beatles cover for Mum and my sister. And for you too, Dad. Don't worry. This has come together. Here come old flat top, he come grooving up slowly. He got juju eyeballs, he won holy roller. He got hair down to his knees. Got to be good looking, he just do what he please. No shoe shine, he got toe jam football, he won monkey finger, he shoot Coca-Cola, he said, I know you know me. One thing I can tell you is you've got to be free. Come together right now over me. come together right now over me. Jimmy. Coaster, he got early warning. He shoot mojo filter. He play muddy water. He said 1 and 1 and 1 is 3. One thing I can tell you is you've got to be free. Come together right now over me.
Fantastic.
All right,
Like a bit of Beatles.
guys. Nothing like the Beatles. That's right, the Beatles. I was raised on the Beatles. I love the Beatles. So look, I think we're going to jump into another cover. Can we do the Roadhouse? Because it's nearing 4 o'clock, and I really want to play this.
Yeah, okay.
This is a Dawes cover called Roadhouse Blues. I'm going to use this tin sandwich. Keep your eyes on the road, your hands upon the wheel. Keep your eyes on the road, your hands upon the wheel. Yeah, we're going to the roadhouse, gonna have a real good time. Sit at the back of the roadhouse, they got some bungalows. The back of the roadhouse, they got some bungalows. And that's for the people who like to go down slow. Yeah. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll all night long. gotta roll, roll, roll to thrill my soul, alright. Roll, roll, roll to thrill my soul. You gotta keep a target future. I'm gonna meet you. Eat your tuna, baby. Bopalula, alright. Passionate lady. Passionate lady. Give up your vows. Give up your vows. Save our city, yeah, yeah, yeah. Save our city right now. Said I woke up this morning and I got myself a beer. Said I woke up this morning and I got myself a beer. The future's uncertain and the end is always there. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll all night long. Yeah, yeah. And I think we've reached 4 o'clock, so I think that's it for us. I want to thank Sounds on the Couch very much, and Karen for bringing everyone together and doing these fantastic things. Thanks to Jimmy for today, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Pleasure. Thanks for everyone for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed it, and love you all, and take it easy.